back in stock add-on just displays a little tab that says here, notify me when this product is available. You can of course customize these messages, and it acts as a lead magnet. People have to put in their email. So if you'd like to change any of these settings, just head into the Debutify add-ons tab, turn on this add-on, and then in the theme settings, just locate back in stock. So you can see that this text correlates with this text. You can change the icon, the button label, and then the success message. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.